dead fish yet. So it's already been, I don't know, when did I do this? March, April. I think I did in late March, and everything's doing good. So yeah, they're doing well. Today's video I want to show you 2 plants that I got from this small nursery. I've always seen it, but I've never gone in, and then I decided to go, and yeah, it was an okay nursery. They water their plants with well water, so they do have like an orange tint to them. And then also they don't have a shade cloth, so a lot of sun. So yeah, I don't know. So anyways, but I was happy with the plant that I got, and then I got one for free. I got 2 plants of one, but I gave it to my sister-in-law. So I'll be showing you that. So I just wanted to let me see if I can get a better view. Hope you guys can see. And the fish are doing good. So yeah, this has gotten taller. This thing, I need to adjust it when I get a chance. It's a little crooked. But other than that, everything's doing really well. Some of these, they get a little sunburn because they shouldn't get sun, but obviously I'm not going to move this. So the ones that are making it, I'm happy with. And the ones that get a little bit sunburn, it's not a big deal. This Caribbean Jenny is doing really well in there. And it's providing a lot of shelter for them. So yeah, I think they really enjoy the plants. Let me just go and show you the plants now. You guys, I'm in the front porch now, and I have to hurry up because the neighbors, landscaper guys are here. That means they're gonna start making lots of noise. Maxie's interested. What's that, Maxie? Huh? Maxie, show them your pretty eyes. Show them your pretty eyes, Maxie. So pretty. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. What's that? She's so pretty when she's intense. Okay. Anyways, guys, now to the plants. Here is this plant that I purchased. It's I think she called it Chinese sedum. I believe it might have other names. Let's see if I can get a closer look at the leaves. You can see it has like hard water stains. But overall, it was really pretty, and it was getting lots of sun. No, they're gonna make noise. Oh, darn it. I'll have to just... Hey guys, I'm back. I had to stop recording because the neighbors, landscapers were making too much noise. So I knew you guys were not going to be able to hear me well. But I wanted to talk to you. So this is one of the plants I bought at that little nursery. And from the looks of it, it looked fine. It still looks fine, but there was a bit of... the plants that were hanging down, and I was trimming them, and as I was trimming them, I was inspecting them, and I did find mealybugs. So I did go ahead and soaked it in this Ortho spray that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's Ortho's name brand. I don't know if it's gonna work well or not. I wouldn't spray it on regular succulents that have the farina on it, because I did spray it on one and it completely removed the powder that protects the plant. So I wouldn't use it for that, but for this type of succulent, I think it's fine. That's the lock on my door. And then these are the pieces that I cut off that I can rescue that look decent to propagate, but I also sprayed it, so that's why that's there. I'm letting it soak in the spray. You know, I sprayed it, and then later on I'm gonna hose it off and plant it up. But yeah, I just wanted it to sit here. I would not want to put this in the sun knowing that it has that spray on it, because then it can cause it to burn. So that's what I did with that. Now let me talk to you about this one. I don't know if this has anything yet. They don't usually tend to have anything, but this one is really pretty, except the fact that they use well water to water the plant, so that's why it has this tint on it, this weird looking orangey tint. So I actually got this for free because I asked her, like, how much would you charge me for this? She's like, take it. And I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna rescue it. So I'm gonna take it out of the pot and inspect it. I'm gonna trim all the ugly leaves just so that all the energy can go into the nice leaves, and I'm sure that this is gonna be looking really nice in no time. I'm gonna do that with you guys. The other one is very simple. I mean, no big deal. I'm gonna rinse it and pot it up, so I'm not gonna show you guys that, but I will show you another plant. I have another one that's like this, but it's not it does not have the yellow, so I guess this is a variegated version of the one that I do have. I also have pups from it. I was able to give one to my sister-in-law. It was a decent size, like this size, but obviously really beautiful compared to this. From Mother's Day I gave her. Here it is. This one is here. It's really pretty. I don't even know if you guys can see because I can't see. The sun is just glaring on it. So see, this one is just, you see green and like a lighter green. There's no yellow. I've removed some pups. They're growing in the back, and then it has more pups that I will eventually remove as well. So yeah, let me go set you guys up so you guys can see this one. Okay guys, so here I am. I wanted to show you real quick. This is the spray that I found at Dollar Tree. This is the spray that I will not spray on any sensitive succulents that have like the farina, because it will strip it. It happened to one of mine. I guess I grabbed it because it was the closest thing next to me, and I figured, oh, okay, it's okay, and then it removed some of the farina, so I can clearly see it. These are spiky, so they do hurt, so I gotta be careful. I should have changed this to like a tray. That's what I need, a tray to catch all the debris. And I'm sorry for the noise. Okay, here I have this tray. This is the tray that I really like, that it's useful for many things. I'll use it. It's wet because I was rehydrating a plant in it. Sometimes I do that. If I find a plant that's very dehydrated, I'll sit it in there for a few hours, let it soak in, and then take it out. So that's a good way to rehydrate your plant. This thing has probably been in here for a long time. Oh goodness, the doggy's gonna keep barking. The neighbor's doing something in the back, and the dog wants to go outside, but obviously he doesn't want him to go in the back right now. Okay, so I'm gonna reset this plant. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim the roots, and I'm also gonna trim many of the leaves. So yeah. And this is these plants are pretty strong plants, so I'm not worried about it. I think it's an agave of some sort. I can't recall. Somebody knows the name, I'm sure. Okay, this is going to be easy. If I can take it off like this, I'd rather. Let's go ahead and trim all these roots. I'm just going to dump all this because I don't know. I can't say that that's like a well-known, nursery. That's a little nursery on the side of the road, so yeah. They needed help. The nursery needed more attention. They definitely needed some shade cloths. I don't know.
If you take him out in the order it goes, is usually easy. You can see like which one's the next one. Yeah, and I am going to remove most of these. That looks a little bit better. I'm tempted to leave these, but I'm not. They're just, eventually I'm going to want to remove them, so I might as well just take them out now. And I wouldn't put this in the sun either. I don't want to stress it any more than what I'm already doing. So I will put this in a very bright lit area. There you go. I think I'm good with that. So all that is going to be trashed. So much noise right now. Fresh new soil. Take out these weeds. Okay. Somebody's talking. Okay. So now, I am so sorry guys about all the noise. They're talking about cats and dogs, that dogs are better than cats. I like them both. I've had both. Throughout the years I've had both. Okay. So that. Can't wait to show you guys how good this will look. Probably in a few weeks. It's got new soil. And it's got a new pot. It's got a new owner. So I'm going to place this. I'll show you where I place it so that you have an idea. This is just for now because this can be in full sun. But for now, I'm going to show you where I'm going to place it. I'm going to put it. Let's get some, look, there's dappled light and there's shade. You can see dappled light and shade. So that's where I'm going to put it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'm so sorry for all the noise. Thank you for all your support. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.